My name is Ting, and I'm a business lady, and I am very passionate about people's development. And so you can say I'm also very passionate about training. And the reason why I attend this HRDF TTT is because I would like to reach out to more people in this training industry. And with this qualification and training, I believe that I can equip myself with better skills and more training development related knowledge to bring forth to people. And I am very, very glad that it has been a great blessing to be in this HRDF TTT group number 16 with Mr. Jackson Ng and all my friends from Miri. What I've learned is that there are actually a lot of methods that we can engage in delivering our training, and also knowing our audience, part of them, and also finding out the training needs of the people, the kind of training that they need. And it is all included, and after that we will design our own training program, which is something that I really look forward to, because I believe that that will actually bring me forward to do what I love to do, because training is my passion. And if you're passionate about training and developing people, life is beautiful. So just go for it. Go for your TTT, whatever it takes.